Healthiers, welcome to our channel. Ready to be 1% better? Today we are going to show you 3 incredible recipes that will fill you with energy and get you ready to take on the day. So check it out, especially if you are over 40. Keep till the end to blow your mind with these information. And remember, let's be just 1% healthier every day. We're going to transform your mornings. If you're tired of waking up feeling sluggish and unmotivated, get ready to be inspired. We'll explore quick, nutritious, and of course, delicious options that can be easily prepared, even on the busiest of mornings. So grab your ingredients and join me on this journey to a healthier breakfast. Recipe 1. Overnight oats with fruit and chia seeds. Let's start with the current favorite, overnight oats. This recipe is perfect for those with a busy routine who need something quick, but filling that will keep you satisfied until lunchtime. The best part is that it can be prepared the night before, saving you precious time in the morning. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup plant-based milk almond, coconut, or your preference, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey or other natural sweetener optional. Chopped fruit to taste: strawberries, bananas, blueberries, apples. Closing parenthesis. Optional toppings: walnuts, almonds, shredded coconut, pumpkin seeds. Instructions. 1. In a glass jar with a lid, add the oats, plant-based milk, chia seeds, and honey. Mix well to prevent the chia seeds from clumping. 2. Then, add the chopped fruit on top of the mixture. 3. Close the jar and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or preferably overnight. Extra tips: vary the flavors, experiment with different combinations of fruits and toppings to change up the flavor daily. Some options include mango and coconut, apple and cinnamon, or even cocoa powder for a touch of chocolate. Make in batches. Prepare several jars of overnight oats at once on Sunday night to have breakfast ready for the entire week. Benefits: the fiber in oats and chia seeds helps keep you feeling full throughout the morning, while the fruit adds a boost of essential vitamins and antioxidants to start your day off right. Recipe 2. Green smoothie with spinach and fruit. Now, how about a super refreshing and nutrient-packed green smoothie? This smoothie is a great way to start your day with a good dose of vitamins and minerals. Besides being easy to make, it's perfect for those who don't have much of an appetite in the morning but still want something nutritious. Ingredients: 1 handful of fresh spinach, 1 ripe banana, 1/2 cup diced pineapple, 1/2 cup diced mango, 1 cup coconut water or orange juice for a sweeter option, 1 tablespoon flax seeds or chia seeds, ice to taste. Instructions. 1. Place all ingredients in a blender and blend until creamy and smooth. At 2. If you prefer a thinner smoothie, add more coconut water or juice until you reach the desired consistency. Extra tips: customize your smoothie. Add a scoop of protein powder to make it even more complete, or add fresh ginger for a spicy kick and even more anti-inflammatory benefits. Prepare in advance. Chop and freeze the ingredients to make preparation easier on busy mornings. Benefits: spinach is rich in iron, which helps with energy production, while fruits provide natural carbohydrates and antioxidants. Seeds, in turn, offer healthy fats and fiber, making this smoothie a true nutrient powerhouse. Recipe 3. Banana pancakes with oats. For those who prefer a more substantial breakfast, banana pancakes with oats are the perfect choice. This recipe is ideal for the weekend or any day you want to start your morning with a more complete meal. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 egg, 1/2 cup rolled oats fine, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 pinch of salt. Optional toppings: honey, fresh fruit, Greek yogurt, peanut butter. Instructions. 1. In a bowl, mash the banana until it forms a puree. 2. Add the egg and mix well. 3. Then add the oats, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt, mixing until a homogeneous batter is formed. 4. Heat a non-stick skillet over low heat and, using a spoon, place small portions of the batter in the skillet, forming the pancakes. 5. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Extra tips, variations. Try adding dark chocolate chips to the batter or substituting the banana for grated apple for a different flavor. Complete service. Serve the pancakes with a generous portion of fresh fruit, a dollop of Greek yogurt, and a drizzle of honey for a breakfast worthy of a brunch. Benefits. This recipe is rich in complex carbohydrates and fiber, providing long-lasting energy. Bananas are also an excellent source of potassium, which helps maintain electrolyte balance in the body. With these options, I'm sure your mornings will be much more productive and full of energy. Remember that breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day, and starting with nutritious choices can make all the difference in your mood and well-being throughout the day. Share with us which recipe was your favorite and how it helped you face the day with more energy. So, which of these recipes are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. And share this video with your friends who also want to start their day with a power-packed breakfast. Remember, knowledge is power, but only when put into practice. So, what are you going to do differently from now on? Change begins with a decision, and this moment is yours. We're in this together on a journey towards a healthier and more conscious life. Join us and be 1% healthier every single day. I compromise to bring you Away's new informational videos and reply to all the comments. I said all.